Tell me what you should be thinking about when you're selecting a countertop and like the type of style that a countertop can bring to your kitchen.
Yep, so designs in countertop, particularly quartz, can steer in a direction of style. So we had the modern, we have a traditional, and we have a transitional door styles laid out, and I'm going to grab some countertops that kind of go with that style. So something with a dramatic streak in it, and I might have to grab one at a time. These are super heavy, but I'll grab two because I can. So something with a dramatic vein in it will tend to be on the modern side. Something trendy, something striking. Something transitional would be, you know, something that might have a little bit of mica in it with a little bling bling. That would pair well with a door style that's transitional. This is very neutral as far as style is concerned. You can go in any direction with something that's like this. It's not very dramatic, it stays quiet. And with traditional, people are loving the marble kind of look. So I would probably go, let's see. This one's very marbly looking. Not loud, but has a little something that looks like natural stone. Another good one would be something that adds a little bit of contrast depending on the color of the cabinet. So when you pair it with traditional door styles, it could have an elegant look, or, you know, something a little more, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, this is elegant, and this one would be, oh, I'm trying to think of the word. Yeah, bold. You know, that it paired up with the right backsplash, the right cabinet color, would bring a look together that's exactly focal point. So showing these are just showing you the door style itself, not cabinet color, and how countertop can also take you in a direction with style.